The vast expanse of the sea can be a dangerous place, even more so when you are submerged beneath its surface in a metal tube. In 2006, the Russian submarine Daniil Moskovsky found itself in such a precarious situation. While patrolling the Barents Sea, a fire ignited on board. The fire, caused by an electrical short circuit, claimed 2 sailors' lives. They succumbed to carbon monoxide poisoning. The nuclear reactor was swiftly shut down, averting a potential catastrophe. The Daniil Moskovsky, a Victor III-class attack submarine, was no stranger to the seas. Commissioned in 1988, it was a vessel designed for speed and endurance beneath the waves. This class of submarines, a product of the Cold War, represented a significant technological achievement for the Soviet Union at the time. However, even the most advanced machinery requires meticulous care and maintenance, a point that the Daniil Moskovsky incident brought into sharp focus. The fire on board exposed vulnerabilities not only within the vessel itself, but also within the broader framework of the Russian Navy's safety protocols. The incident served as a wake-up call, prompting a thorough investigation into the chain of events that led to the fire and the crew's response. The findings revealed areas where safety procedures and equipment maintenance fell short of established standards. These shortcomings, in turn, highlighted the urgent need for improvements to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. The Daniil Moskovsky incident was not isolated in the Russian Navy's history. The submarine fleet has faced numerous tragic accidents. The sinking of the Kursk in 2000 claimed 118 lives. It exposed systemic issues like inadequate training and equipment failures. The 2003 sinking of K-159 resulted in 9 deaths and environmental concerns. Section 4. The weight of maintenance. The string of accidents involving Russian submarines points to a recurring theme: the critical importance of rigorous maintenance. Submarines, by their very nature, operate in a hostile and unforgiving environment. The immense pressure of the deep sea, coupled with the corrosive effects of saltwater, places constant stress on even the most robustly built vessels. Maintaining these complex machines requires not only significant financial investment, but also a culture of meticulous attention to detail. Every component, from the reactor core to the smallest valve, must be regularly inspected and maintained to the highest standards. A single point of failure can have catastrophic consequences, as evidenced by past incidents. The challenge for the Russian Navy, and indeed for any navy operating a submarine fleet, is to ensure that this commitment to maintenance never wavers. This becomes even more crucial as vessels age and require more extensive repairs and upgrades to remain operational. Section 5. A Navy under strain. The Russian Navy faces challenges that strain its resources and test its fleet. Economic sanctions and the conflict in Ukraine pressure the defense budget. This makes it hard to fund modernization and upkeep. Many warships and submarines are nearing the end of their service lives. The Navy must choose between extending old vessels' lifespans or building new ones. The path forward remains uncertain. Lessons from incidents like the Daniil Moskovsky fire must not be forgotten. Investing in sailors' safety, rigorous maintenance, and adapting to geopolitical changes are crucial.